CAT examination do ya na do? Well guys, if you are prepared for the CAT examination, tomorrow is the last date. Please register yourself and attend the exam. Well, this video is not about CAT exam. This video is about XAT examination. This video is about NMAT and SNAP examination. Now, of course, CAT is the father of all the MBA entrance exams, and we all know that you should and you must appear in CAT examination. But the moment we talk about Symbiosis SNAP examinations, XLRI XAT examination, or Nursing Monji NMAT examinations, questions start popping up in our head. Firstly, we are not sure whether we are going to score good in these examinations or not. Secondly, are we prepared for these examinations or not? Thirdly, the fees, financial matters. Now, well guys, even if you get a great score in CAT examination, IIMs are also not going to be very reasonable. They are going to charge you a bomb. So money wise, financial wise, if you pay few extra K for few more opportunities, that is worth it. If you think that appearing in XAT examination and NMAT or SNAP examination is not viable for you because you're not ready for them, then my friend, you are never going to be ready for even CAT examination. Now, you must have got registered yourself in any coaching class, or maybe you are studying on your own. And if you have studied well, you know, and if you have done your research, or if you're thinking about attempting these examinations, you know that the topics asked in all these examinations are similar. The only difference is that you really don't know whether XAT is going to make sense to you, NMAT is going to make sense to you, or SNAP. You are not ready for them. The best way to know whether you are going to be ready for these examinations or not is by simply attempting a mock. Attempt a mock, or if you do not have a mock, if you have not purchased mocks, or if you are not associated with any coaching class that has given you mocks, you guys can go online and check previously asked question paper of any of the examination, or how sample question papers are also easily available, because some of the examination mocks are not, official mocks are not available. So you can go through them, you can check the type of questions asked, you can ask yourself whether you have it in you to attempt those questions, and if the answer is yes, if you feel that you can do good in these examinations by studying a bit more and by plugging the loopholes, trust me guys, it's worth to attempt and to invest a little more. Do not be taken back by this fact that you have to invest more or you have to shell out a little extra for these examinations, because these examinations are going to give you way more opportunities. And of course, these examinations, if you score good, are as good as any of the IIM. So that's it guys. Yes, how to know whether you are ready for these examinations? Please attempt a mock, and after attempting a mock, based on the performance, you guys get to know how much ready or prepared you are for these examinations, and you can go for them. Secondly, if you're enrolled in a coaching class, please get in touch with your faculties, mentors, guides, and they will be telling you whether you have it in you to appear in these examinations and get a good score. Do not simply randomly fill the forms and go for the examination. It's going to be a waste of time, money, and also morally you won't be feeling good if you do not do well in these exams. That's it guys. Just like always, I am Ashish. I am going to give you basic information in the most basic way, and that's it. Stay blessed. Thank you guys.